I just got it in the mail, and I'm gonna admit, I'm in love with it. These are magnetic. They stay just fine. You're like, what? Sorry, it's not focusing. It has a smooth, like that plastic that you just want to rub because it feels so good. Diffuser. I am in love with the actual wind that it blows. So you turn it on, you have your first speed and then your second speed. And then when I push this, it's changing the heat so it gets hotter and hotter. So I'm gonna turn it on first. Just feel the dog. It's got really good power. So there's your low, hot, cold. You have cold, and then you have 1, 2, 3. So you've got cold, and you have 3 levels of heat. Slow speed, fast speed, feels great. You can register by clicking on that. It is dual voltage. It is little. It does not weigh much. It has a decent sized cord. That is like a normal size cord. And it comes with a soft luxury bag. Ooh. Highly recommend. I'm so excited to use this. So cute. Worth every penny.
So basically, the diffuser, it snaps on. So cool. You can just snap off. Very durable, as you can see. Snap this on. I thought this was so cute. If you're on the fence, definitely get it. I have not hooked this up to the wall yet, but apparently you can just stick it on the wall and throw this bad boy on there. I think my favorite part was the magnetic, how it's so easy to snap on, so small, really lightweight, very, very lightweight. Absolutely, absolutely love it. Just wanted to show you guys what comes in the box, and if you are on the fence, I'll also let you know how durable it is. I think my favorite part is the snap-ons. Hope you guys enjoyed this.